Brother, I can start. Okay. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. You can go to sit. Thank you. Okay, so one last thing remaining. Ritan Nitish is now coming to the stage. It's been a long time since you have attended MS evening sessions. You are busy with your assignments, and then you took a little bit of time, and now you are back. So, if I had given the same exercise that I have given to them, which topic you would have chosen today?
Sure, farmers.
Why?
A sudden topic which will be always striking in my mind is farmers. Because my parents and my family is totally based on farmers and agriculture things. So my father always talk to my worker who is working in my farm. So often I will be able to hear that noise, and he will be angry, speaking himself. I need to do that to grow the trees. So on that time I will be thinking that I need to study agri course, and I need to get the job in like agri shop or something. So because of that I can get to know some medicines and some medicines to put to the plants to make it grow. So that will be my topic.
Well done. So, after a long break, now you have, since most of the people have gone for the break and stuff, and you have joined these little kids. So, how are you going forward? You know, Lakshan will join on 18th, that is Thursday. Vrinda will join. So, but tomorrow you will still have these kids, and you will have 6th grade girl and the 2nd grade girl, the ones who joined today. How are you going to make use of this change in the format of MS evening sessions for your advantage?
Sir, I am not coming for the past 2 weeks, sir. So I will get to know something what happens, sir. So for example, right now or before 30 to 35 minutes, sir, I asked Anas what happened few weeks ago, sir. So he told something, sir. So with that I can get some ideas what happened, sir. So I can make thinking like this happened in that day, sir. So with that I can also think myself. I was already in this class, so there is no problem with me,
Right.
not attending.
Good job. Thank you. Thanks for sudden reaction and response. Yes. Dark food smell. டாகோட சாப்பாடு எனக்கே இங்க சாப்பாடு இல்லை போய் பாரு அங்கே என்ன டாகோட இங்க ஒன்றும் இல்லை அவரை கூட டாக் அங்கே இருக்கு அவங்க டாக். Okay, so Mitra and Kalpita, now the floor is yours. You can give the evaluation of Chandan, Hafiz, Nitika, Hafid, Anas' presentations. One by one. Come on. Okay, Kalpita can start.
The first presentation was Anna's presentation, sir. As everybody mentioned, chosen the topic helping the society and making others know about the life of the tribals, sir. And now we have known that he's really concerned about the tribals and the research that he has made about the life of the tribals, sir. Because they lead a very, sometimes a very struggle life, and at the same time in the forest they have to find food and everything, sir. And the life of the tribals was a very good topic, sir. That's number one criteria, sir. And always Hafiz has been very good in presentation wise, sir. His body language, his enthusiasm, his tonality and everything was really good, sir. And each time he does a presentation, he enjoys the journey of doing the presentation, and he's very enthusiastic and very merryful, sir. So unanimously we would like to give him 80 on Hafiz, sir. Well done, Hafiz.
Very good. 81 for Hafiz by both Kalpita and Mitra. Right. Now I'd like to know the feedback about Hafiz's presentation. Kalpita.
Okay, sir. Sir, Hafiz presently wrote about animals, sir, and we can come to know that his concern about animals and how Hafiz was for driving, sir. And nowadays, Hafiz has started showing a lot of improvement when compared to the day he started, sir. Initially, people have to help him, sir, but now he has started to. So my opinion on Hafiz is to give him 79, sir.
79 by Kalpita for Hafid. Mitra, your view.
The half-day presentation was very good, sir. And as Kalpitaka mentioned, he's really improving nowadays, sir. First, he hardly spoke in the presentation, sir. But he's trying his best nowadays in making the presentation. So he gave his presentation task on Saturday, sir. When everyone were leaving the class, sir. And he has made, with a span of about 3 or 4 days, he has searched some about the, he has served about this topic in the internet, and he has given as much, he has given as much information as he could, sir, about the animals, sir, about the variety of animals, the things that they do, as much as he could, he tried his level best, and so we are giving him 79 marks, sir.
Okay, so Hafid 79. All right. For Nitika, who is speaking now, and unfortunately, I was not able to listen to Nitika's presentation. Her presentation I listened to. Someone came, sir. Okay. Yes, someone came. So I was not able to listen. So I heard that she was answering really well. So how much mark you would like to give for Nitika? We'll start with Kalpita.
Sir, as I already said, Nitika's topic was about creating
yes.
awareness, sir, and that
I think we have discussed already, right, Kalpita?
topic was really good, and he has chosen a focus, sir. Sir, my opinion is 81, sir.
Okay, so we already listened about Nitika. So let's go to Chandan. Mitra, you start with Chandan.
Okay, sir. Sir, although I have what we listened to Chandan's presentation from the half, sir, I could realize that he has been very enthusiastic in doing this presentation about athletics, sir. And from this, I could understand that both Nitika and Chandan are very concentrated about sports, sir, and mainly about athletics, sir, because I have seen them in the sports tournament in school, sir. They have been very strong in running, sir, and also in the ground, sir, in the sports where we used to play, they both were very energetic, and they were really concentrated about the speed and the acceleration at which they are running, sir. So they were both are very concentrated and very interested about athletics, sir. And Chandan has also let others know about his experience, sir. So we would like to give him 83 marks, sir.
Right, okay. So Kalpita, you agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. So 83 marks for Chandan, 81 marks for Nitika, 79 marks for Hafid,
Hafiz 81.
81 for Hafiz,
Anas 78.
Anas 78. Everybody was making the presentation. Why didn't you make? Even Ritan Nitish, who joined today, he was also able to speak. I gave you 2 days time. Why?
The baby is always crying, sir. That's why I am and my akka and my father are making happy, sir. That's why I cannot make, sir. And the night only we have came, sir. And we are so tired and sleep, sir. That's why we cannot make, sir.
When are you making the presentation?
So today I'm going to make the presentation and come, sir.
Okay, so Mitra and Kalvita, I really appreciate your patience and your involvement. Good job. Everybody clap for it.
Thank you, sir.
So now the point is,
Sir,
I'm going to administer a small game by putting the little people as the captains, and I'll be parking the car outside for the game. So you both will have only less scope over here. And Mitra was mentioning that she has homework. So since it's a physical game, as you know, normally attending online in the physical game is not that much handy. So if you would like to watch, you can sit and observe. Or if you would like to leave and get on with the other preparations, you can go. I'll leave the charge to you. So I'll first listen from Kalpita. What are you going to do, Kalpita?
Sir, I will like to
We are not.
taking all those books from somewhere, and I have to collect all those things.
So you are going to the school tomorrow, right?
No, sir, it is compulsory, sir. Though they ask for willingness, it is compulsory.
Okay, take care of yourself. Wear a quality mask and don't have any physical contact with any of your benchmates and friends.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay, so Mitra, how about you? Both of your network is very, very poor. I'm not able to hear Kalpita's voice properly, and Mitra, you are taking a long time. So it's better to leave and get on with your homework. And every day, whenever you are joining online, make sure you are joining for the first hour. And in the second hour, when we are administering the sports, you can leave and you can use the time for homework. Mitra?
Okay, sir. Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes. What's your decision?
Sir, I would stay and watch the game that they play, sir. I would like to be interested for this.
Okay. So your homework?
Sir, I will do it parallelly, sir. I will watch the sports, sir. One side one sir and the other side notice.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So fine. So Kalpita, we'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow we have 2 new admissions. One girl's name is Harini, and she is grade 6. And another girl's name is Shreya something. She is grade 2. This Shreya girl is very disrespectful. That's what her mom says. And this Harini is a scared person. She is always afraid for everything. So that's why they are putting in this class. I need all of your help for getting them out of the weakness. Okay? Maybe. It's there. You can also. Okay, so Kalpita, see you tomorrow. And Mitra, you can stay and watch. Bye. Thank you, Kalpita. Thank you. Bye. Bye. பண்ணுவோம் ட்ரை பண்ண எடுத்துக்கோங்க
Most boring time this past few weeks I was